So Jimmy Sauces sent me this just to say thank you, my sister. We saw the pizza and thank you. Oh guys, one thing about me, I love unboxing PR packages. Like, this is not even a PR package, this is more of a thank you package. You know, we love appreciative brands, guys. You know, a brand that will say, my sister, we are grateful for your content, man. We loved it and we are very grateful. Look at that! They even put a bow. Jimmy Sauces. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay guys, let me take a picture quickly. Okay, let's do like a young unboxing. Ish, guys. Uncle Jimmy, man, guys, now you charmed me. Like, Uncle Jimmy, you charmed me. Like, you charmed everything in me. So, here's the reveal. I think it's gonna be their sauces. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Okay. Look at that! Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god, you guys! Like, I am so. Look at this, okay? So they gave me this beef druivenwurst. Yeah, I said it. And then they have also these new chips, original steakhouse flavored chips. There's that, and they gave me tongs, guys. I swear to god, I've been meaning to buy tongs, but I don't know why I haven't. One thing about God, he listens and he will deliver. Listen. So thank you, Uncle Jimmy, thank you for this. And then they gave me this biltong. And then they gave, oh, even this. Guys, I swear to god, I've been meaning to buy a license like this. I swear to god. Lord, one thing about you, you will listen and you will deliver. Amen. Okay. And then these these are napkins. Yeah, like serviettes with the Jimmy Sauces printing, as you can see. And the star of the show, they gave me a whole bunch of these sauces, as you can see. There is I'm so excited to try these. Literally, there's the barbecue sauce. I'm very, very much excited to try this. And then there is their chip and burger sauce. Guys, I just know that these slap. I just know, because I've already tried this. This is what I used to make the pizza, and from this alone I can tell that the rest are gonna be as amazing. And then finally, the shisanyama sauce. So I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. I'm probably gonna send one of these home. But yeah, thank you, Uncle Jimmy. I appreciate these. Thank you so much for showing appreciation for my content. I'm glad you all loved the pizza. Thank you. How do you even use this? Okay. Oh, there's a lock here.